Hi, my name is Travis Moore, and I'm the owner of Capital Carpet Cleaning and Repairs. We're professional carpet, upholstery, tile, and grout cleaners, and we can even help you with most of your carpet repairs. But today, I want to talk to you about a very important disinfecting, sanitizing service that we're now starting to offer to consumers and business owners. So before you open your home or business back up to the public, we encourage you to disinfect and sanitize your environment. We will come in with this fogging device and get rid of all the mold, the bacteria, the pathogens, the viruses, including the COVID-19. And you will feel good knowing that you're following all the proper precautions to keep people safe, because people want to know before they go back into that business. Has it been disinfected? Has it been sanitized? Has it been cleaned? And you will know that you followed the proper precautions keeping people safe. So this device is called the Hydrocavitator. It's a hydraulic fogger that is used to apply disinfectants, antimicrobials, deodorizers, and cleaning agents where you need it and where you otherwise could not be able to reach. Like a hydrostatic sprayer, it produces cavitations that surround surfaces even if they're not sprayed directly. So we use this to spray everything. If you have appliances in your home or natural fibers, we'll use this and we'll spray it on everything to make sure that we're getting rid of all of the contamination in your home or in your business. So contact us if you want to take advantage of our disinfectant sanitizing service. Your place of business and your home will be happy that you did. And by doing so, you can also take advantage of a special that we're running for the next few weeks. Give us a call at 925-238-0025. Thank you.